I'm going to show you how to make a graph from the data, and then you'll be replicating this process to make other graphs showing the other relationships. To start, make sure that you are in your personal copy of the spreadsheet and not the shared class spreadsheet. Now, within one data set, we need to find multiple rows where the third variable has been held constant. So, for example, in this volume versus temperature data, I'm going to choose the rows that all have a pressure of 2.4 atm. Now, I'm only going to highlight the range of data that I want to graph, so the columns with the independent and dependent variables. You can do that by selecting the upper left cell, holding down Shift, and then pressing the right and down arrow keys until you've selected the entire range of data that you want to graph. From there, select Insert and Chart. Great, let's take a look. The independent variable, temperature, is along the horizontal axis, and the dependent variable, volume, is along the vertical axis. Over here in the chart editor, you can customize all different features of your graph. First of all, you can change the chart type. So, for instance, if your graph appeared like this as a scatter plot, you can change the chart type to a line graph. You can also customize the chart and axis titles. To do that, select Customize and Chart and Axis Titles. I'm going to add a little more detail to this chart title by adding volume versus temperature with pressure equal to 2.14 atm. And you can see the title of the graph has updated. You can also change things like the font and font size. I'm going to make the title bold, and I'll make it this nice purple color. I'll also center it horizontally. When you're done, you can close the chart editor. And there you have it, a beautiful graph from your data. Look at how much easier that was than plotting all of that data by hand.